loss. It's a common issue that lurks in the shadows of our mirrors, quietly stealing strands without consent. It's a battle that many wage but few conquer. But today, we're bringing the fight to our follicles. We're taking control. We're putting an end to hair loss. Step 1 in this hair-raising journey is understanding the cause. Hair loss can be due to a myriad of reasons, from genetics to lifestyle, diet, or even stress. It's important to identify these underlying causes before embarking on any hair restoration journey. The second step involves adopting a nutritious diet. Incorporating foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals can help fortify hair health. Think leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, and lean meats. Remember, what feeds you feeds your hair. Next, hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining hair health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep those locks luscious. Hydrated bodies mean hydrated hair follicles, leading to stronger, healthier hair. The fourth step is to avoid heat and chemical treatments as much as possible. These treatments can cause significant damage to your hair, leaving it brittle and prone to breakage. Embrace the natural beauty of your hair, and it will thank you by sticking around. Step 5 is all about scalp care. Regularly massaging your scalp can stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Incorporate oils like coconut or jojoba for an added nourishing boost. Finally, the last step is to maintain a consistent hair care routine. This means regularly washing and conditioning your hair with products suitable for your hair type. Also, don't forget to get regular trims to keep those split ends at bay. So, to recap, understand the cause of your hair loss. Adopt a nutrient-rich diet, stay hydrated, avoid heat and chemical treatments, massage your scalp regularly, maintain a consistent hair care routine. These steps, when combined, can help you wage a successful war against hair loss. Remember, hair loss doesn't happen overnight, and neither does hair growth. Patience and consistency are your allies in this journey. So gear up, get started, and let's reclaim every strand. Because hair loss is not a destiny, it's a battle. And it's a battle you're fully equipped to win.